For the integrated water-cooled radiator used for server cooling, the XNF water-cooled module thermal efficiency testing machine can be selected. The equipment is equipped with 4 independent testing channels, 32 testing point interfaces, and reserved panel interfaces that can be expanded. According to testing requirements to meet testing needs, the equipment is equipped with 2 water coolers, and a constant temperature water tank control system. The water temperature can be adjusted within the range of 20-50 degrees Celsius, with a flow control accuracy of ±005 lpm, and an inlet temperature control accuracy of ±1 degree Celsius after starting the water cooling machine. When the equipment reaches the set temperature, the model settings and specification parameters can be carried out. The test product can be tested for flow rate, flow resistance, thermal resistance, temperature and other aspects to obtain product data. It supports free setting and selection of judgment conditions.